Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So this tutorial is going to be about a website, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a mockup in a website on a strip. So I'm going to add this as a mockup and a strip background basically. I'm going to set it as an image. So let's do it right away. So this is very simple, but yet I thought I'll just show you. I'll just show you for the first time. And yeah, let's go ahead. I added a strip now. Let's add this. Let's add some color. This is a mockup which I got on Wix image gallery basically. We'll go to image gallery and start something like a mockup. This image you will find somewhere in the list. So you can hide this as this is a easy way, or you can also add any of the image that you have in your list, or you can also add some other stuff, or you whether you have done mockups, or if you like to, or if you do, if you are someone who know mockups, how to create mockups, and you can also add and create an ad. So those who don't know how to create mockups, you can add just by searching and running it on image based site. Okay, so let's add some color. Let's add a random color. Okay, let's try some blue color. Let's reduce its opacity to 25. Uh, yes, that is okay. Let me just add this mockup. I will just increase its size. We just keep it to the right, basically. More right is okay. And what now I do is I will just remove its background. I'm going to remove its background color. More of yeah, done this. Note it down if you didn't understand, or you can rewind or just replay this video. So this is how it's done. I hope you liked it. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.